Hello everyone, today I will do modeling El Nino experiments. Let's start. Firstly, I'm adding blue color on the water. Then mixing it. Now this is our ocean. Now let's make our red color. First adding baby oil. Then adding 1 teaspoon of red color and mixing it. Now this red color represents our hot water. Let's add this into our ocean. Now we're gonna model the normal trade winds. Let's open the hair dryer first. As you can see, hot water accumulates on the west side, but when we closed it moves east again. In real ocean, this circumstance supports marine life and keep Eastern Pacific cooler. Let's move on to questions. The answer of the first question is, when the hairdryer was blowing, the red oil was pushed to the west side of the container and blue water rose slightly on the east side. This represents normal Pacific Ocean conditions. Now let's answer the second question. When the hairdryer stopped, the red oil slowly moved back to east side of the container. This represents El Nino conditions. Now the third question. Ocean temperature affects the atmosphere above them. Warm waters add heat and moisture to the air. Cooler water leads to drier and stable conditions. Let's move to the fourth question. In Eastern Pacific, we expect warmer water, so more evaporation and heavy rainfall. In Western Pacific, cooler than normal water, so we expect drier conditions. And the last question. During El Nino, warm water prevents cold and nutrient-rich water from rising, so plankton populations drop, which affects fish and seabirds.